on the dotted line. That's Philadelphia, freedom ring, and patriotic voices sing. Red, white, blue, never give up. You represent America.
Hoping and praying for a brighter day. I listen to my heart and I obey. How can I see it any other way? I'm looking at my life with my own
philosophy.
Hello everyone. We're here in Walker, Minnesota, and we're looking at a touchless car wash. And yes, we're in the new year of 2025 right here.
Please remove your card. Please make your selection. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
Yeah, I didn't think so.
It's like they're out of receipts in this case.
Yeah, but how are you supposed to prove you? How are you supposed to prove you bought something?
Well, I don't know, maybe the bank transaction? I'll pause real quick. For some reason, the light is still kind of showing on the LED board. Must be some sort of malfunction. Looks kind of dark in here, isn't it? Never seen a bay that looks like it was dark. Alright, we're starting our pre-soak here. It just turned on! What a surprise! Having fun there, Lucas?
I'm sure they get every inch.
I will. And what are you doing with my hat, buddy? Do you think you could take my hat for? Huh?
Well, I want the girls to smile at me too, you know.
Oh, right.
It's fair you get hog all the pretty girls.
Oh, come on. Really?
Yeah, really. Ask them to go to the car wash so you can go smooching with them when you're getting your car wash on.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Well, test.
Taking them to the movies.
Yeah. That's what most everybody else does.
Remember when Chris used to cry when they...
Oh, Dad. Really? All right, we're entering our triple foam.
Here comes the rainbow.
Taste the rainbow.
Yeah.
Like Skittles.
Yeah, taste it. Okay, I'll roll your window down for you.
No, you don't. No, you don't, buddy. No, you don't.
What'd you say, roll your window down?
Nope. I'm not letting you do that. Nope.
We'll clean you, dirty kid.
You're the one that's dirty.
Yeah, you're dirty.
No, you're dirty. You think that's funny, huh, Lucas? You think that's funny?
Lucas likes my jokes.
Yeah, he sure does.
Chris could at least save a pretty girl for me. Then they have to hog them all to himself.
Aye, aye, aye. Folks, this is what happens when you live with your parents. You get teased, like I am.
Comes home, lipstick on her shirt.
Oh, yeah. Test.
Pockets turned
Again.
inside out 'cause it's so bright.
Oh, whatever. Meet the Max Air Dryer. These are very powerful dryers. Well, some parts of it is plastic molded. The rest is all metal. Stops like that, huh? Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's about it. Yeah, that was an older countdown timer for the G5, I think, that used to be in here. Well, I think that was a really awesome watch. What do you guys think? If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave us a like. Comment below what your favorite part was of the car wash. And also, if you're new to the brand new channel from the Simplex Center and you love our videos, go ahead and subscribe for more videos. And also hit the notification bell button. That way you don't miss a video from us. But until then, we'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye, girl.